How to change account on PUBG. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to change account on PUBG. Changing account on PUBG is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open PUBG Mobile. Launch the PUBG game on your mobile device. Go to Setting. Tap on the Setting button located at the bottom right corner of the main screen. Scroll down to Logout. In the Basic tab of the Setting menu, scroll to the bottom and tap on Logout. Confirm logout. Confirm that you want to log out of the current account. Return to the login screen. After logging out, you will be taken to the PUBG Mobile login screen. Select a different login method. You can now log in using a different account. PUBG Mobile offers several login methods such as Facebook, Google Play, Twitter, guest account. Note: guest account can be transferred between devices. Log in with the new account. Select the method associated with your new account and follow the prompts to sign in. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can change account on PUBG. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.